Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're going to be talking about the original QKZAK6 copper driver HiFi wired earphone race sport headphone bass stereo headset music earbuds. This is a game changer for anyone who loves their music and wants to experience it in the best way possible. First off, let's talk about the features of these earphones. The QKZAK6 is an in-ear headphone with a 3.5mm plug, giving you a high-quality wired connection for crystal clear sound. With its built-in microphone, you can also take calls on the go without missing a beat. The dynamic circle sound principle ensures a wide frequency response range of 2,020,000 Hz, giving you an immersive audio experience like never before. Not only that, but these earphones are designed for comfort and durability. The earmuffs are made of high-quality PC material, and the headphone cable is made of TPE, ensuring flexibility and long-lasting use. The 1.2 meters wire length gives you the freedom to move around without feeling restricted, making these earphones perfect for sports and on-the-go use. But the real magic happens when you plug these earphones in. The 10mm horn diameter delivers powerful bass and clear, defined audio that will transport you into your music. The 32 impedance and 108 decibels sensitivity ensure that these earphones can handle any genre of music with ease, while the low 1 distortion rate guarantees that you'll experience your music exactly as it was meant to be heard. So, why should you consider getting the QKZAK6? Well, if you're someone who values high-quality audio and wants a pair of earphones that can keep up with your on-the-go lifestyle, then this is the perfect choice for you. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or simply relaxing at home, these earphones will elevate your music experience to a whole new level. If you're ready to take your music game to the next level, then make sure to check out the link in the description below to get your hands on the original QKZAK6 copper driver HiFi wired earphones. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of outdoor camping and tactical gear, then you're in for a treat today. I'm excited to introduce you to the Tactical MOLLE Elastic Strap Tactical Bag Binding Buckles, an essential accessory for any outdoor enthusiast. Crafted from military standard webbing, these binding buckles come in 3 versatile colors: black, khaki, and green. With a compact size of 2.8*7 cm and a weight of just 3 g per piece, you'll hardly notice them in your pack, but you'll be glad you have them when you need them. So, what sets these buckles apart? Well, they mount to any one MOLLE platform, making them incredibly versatile. Whether you need to fix a glow stick, secure wire ropes, or keep your water bag tube in place, these buckles have got you covered. They're ideal for routing wires, hydration tubes, antennas, and communication cables, making them the ultimate MOLLE webbing accessory. And with 10 pieces included in each pack, you'll have plenty to spare for all your gear. Plus, they can be combined with MOLLE system kits, vests, and more, giving you endless possibilities for customization and organization. But wait, there's more. At an affordable price, this is a must-have addition to your camping gear. Whether you're a seasoned outdoor enthusiast or just starting your journey, these Tactical MOLLE Elastic Strap Tactical Bag Binding Buckles will make your life so much easier. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on these game-changing binding buckles today. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your outdoor adventures to the next level. And while you're at it, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more reviews and recommendations on the latest tactical gear. Happy trails, and I'll see you in the next video. Hello and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to the Outdoor Shade Sail, a 300D polyester waterproof UV-proof awning that will revolutionize the way you enjoy outdoor spaces. The Outdoor Shade Sail is made of high-quality 300D polyester cloth, ensuring durability and longevity. It boasts a 98% anti-ultraviolet rate, providing you with ultimate protection from the sun's harmful rays. Whether you're looking to create a shaded area in your garden, courtyard, balcony, or even a parking lot or beach, this shade sail has got you covered. Not only is it waterproof with a waterproof PU polyester fabric that has a waterproof index of up to 2000, but it also offers 98% UV protection, keeping you cool and comfortable during the hot summer months. The artistic design of the arc shape adds a touch of elegance to any space, making it not only functional but also visually appealing. Point 1 of the best features of the outdoor shade sail is its easy maintenance. It is washable, durable, and made of environmentally friendly materials, making it a sustainable choice for your outdoor shading needs. Plus, it comes with all intact packaging, making it easy to store when not in use. So why should you consider investing in the outdoor shade sail? Well, for starters, it's a high-quality product made from 100% brand new materials, so you can trust that you're getting a product that is safe and reliable. Not to mention, its wide range of applications and durability make it a versatile and long-lasting addition to any outdoor space. If you're ready to take your outdoor experience to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the link in the description to get your own outdoor shade sail today. Trust me, once you experience the comfort and protection it provides, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Happy shading and see you next time.
Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of JBL Lifestyle E65 BTNC Live 650 BTNC Tune 660 BTNC Duet North Carolina noise cancelling headphones, then you're going to love today's review. We've got replacement earpads that are going to take your listening experience to the next level. These ear cushion pads are made from high-quality protein leather and memory foam, ensuring maximum comfort for long listening sessions. They are designed to perfectly fit the JBL E65 BTNC, Duet North Carolina, and Live 650 BTNC Live 660 BTNC headphones, so you can be sure of a perfect fit. But it's not just about comfort. These replacement ear pads are also durable and built to last. They come with a 12-month worry-free warranty and free lifetime technical support, so you can make your purchase with confidence. And the best part? These ear pads are an aftermarket product made by a trusted manufacturer, so you can enjoy the same quality at a fraction of the cost. Plus, with our warranty and service ordinance, you can rest assured that you're getting a product that's backed by our commitment to customer satisfaction. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade your listening experience today with these replacement ear pads for your JBL headphones. Check out the link in the description to get yours now. Don't settle for uncomfortable ear pads any longer. Make the switch and feel the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and tech tips. See you in the next video.
Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who spends a lot of time working at your desk, then I've got something that you absolutely need to check out. Introducing the large-size office computer desk protector mat table wool felt mousepad laptop cushion non-slip keyboard mat gaming accessories. This thing is a game changer when it comes to keeping your workspace clean, comfortable, and protected. The first thing you'll notice about this mousepad is the high-quality felt material that it's made of. Not only does it provide a smooth surface for your mouse, but it also helps to keep your hands warm in the winter and prevents sweat from sticking to the table in the summer. It's like a cozy little blanket for your desk. But that's not all. This desk pad is also designed to protect your desk from scratches, stains, spills, heat, and abrasions. The 3mm anti-scald and abrasion-resistant felt material is soft and shock-resistant, providing a layer of defense for your workspace. And with special anti-slip rubber particles at the bottom, you can be sure that your mouse pad will stay firmly in place, no matter how intense your work session gets. And here's the best part. This multifunctional desk pad isn't just for your mouse. It can also be used as a writing pad, laptop cushion, or just a non-slip surface to keep your office supplies organized. With 7 different sizes to choose from, you can find the perfect fit for your workspace, whether you're working with a tiny desk or a massive one. So, if you're ready to take your workspace to the next level, be sure to click the link in the description to get your hands on the large-size office computer desk protector mat table wool felt mousepad laptop cushion non-slip keyboard mat gaming accessories. Trust me, once you start using this thing, you'll wonder how you ever got by without it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more game-changing office accessories.
Hey there beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I am so excited to bring you this amazing review of the ZOREYA Black Makeup Brushes set. If you're looking to take your makeup game to the next level, then this set is an absolute essential for your collection. This set comes with 7 high-quality brushes that are perfect for creating flawless eye and face makeup looks. The brushes are made with nylon bristles and feature an aluminum ferrule and wooden handle for a professional and luxurious feel. The total length of the brushes ranges from 15.5 to 16.5 centimeters, making them easy to hold and control while applying makeup. These brushes are not only great for personal use, but they also make the perfect gift for any makeup lover. Whether it's for a party, wedding, birthday, or anniversary, this set is guaranteed to impress. The sleek black design adds a touch of elegance to any makeup collection, and the set comes with a convenient storage pouch for easy travel and organization. I have personally been using these brushes for some time now, and I can't say enough good things about them. The soft bristles pick up product beautifully and blend effortlessly for a flawless finish. Plus, the durability of these brushes means that they will last for years to come. Don't just take my word for it, the ZOREYA Black Makeup Brushes set is a must-have for any makeup enthusiast. So, if you're ready to elevate your makeup game and invest in top-quality brushes, be sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing set. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 1830 PCS Lawn Robot Blade Stainless Steel Lawn Mover Replacement Blade for Works Landroid Robotic Lawnmower. Whether you're a seasoned lawn care enthusiast or just looking to step up your mowing game, this replacement blade set is a game changer. Featuring a titanium coating and made of high-quality stainless steel, these blades are built to last. Say goodbye to the days of worrying about rust and corrosion, as these blades and screws are weather-resistant, providing you with long-lasting performance. Not only that, but these replacement blades are designed to deliver a perfectly smooth cutting pattern, giving your lawn that professionally manicured look. And when it comes to safety, these blades are designed to withstand obstacles like stones without breaking, giving you peace of mind as your robotic mower navigates your yard. If you're the proud owner of a Works robotic lawnmower, then this replacement blade set is a must-have. It's the perfect accessory to keep your mower performing at its best and maintaining that pristine lawn you've worked so hard to achieve. So, if you're ready to take your lawn care to the next level, click the link in the description to get your hands on the 1830 PCS Lawn Robot Blade Stainless Steel Lawn Mover Replacement Blade for Works Landroid Robotic Lawnmower. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community for more awesome content and product reviews. Today, we're taking a look at the 3mm 15mm steel wire nylon grass trimmer line round brush cutter trimmer rope. This powerful and durable trimmer wire rope is a must-have for anyone who loves to keep their garden or backyard looking pristine. Made from high-quality nylon and steel wire, this trimmer wire rope is built to last. Its round shape and gray color make it not only strong and tough, but also aesthetically pleasing. With a diameter of 3 mm and a length of 15 meters, this trimmer wire rope is perfect for any kind of brush cutters and lawn mowers. One of the best features of this trimmer wire rope is its built-in steel wire, which provides high toughness and excellent cutting force. This means you can tackle even the most stubborn weeds and grass with ease. Not to mention, its strong wear-resistant performance ensures that it works better with small noise, making it a convenient and efficient tool for your gardening needs. So, if you're looking for a reliable and high-performance trimmer wire rope to keep your garden looking beautiful, look no further. Don't settle for low-quality products that break easily and don't get the job done. Invest in the 3mm 15mm steel wire nylon grass trimmer line round brush cutter trimmer rope and take your gardening game to the next level. If you're ready to step up your gardening game, click the link in the description to get your hands on this fantastic trimmer wire rope today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. Happy gardening!
Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on any of our latest content. Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at the NATO clamp quick release NATO rail clamp with 1438 threaded hole for our locating pin. This little tool is an absolute game changer when it comes to mounting your video accessories. The standard NATO clamp design allows for universal compatibility with 1420 and 3816 threaded holes, as well as an RA locating hole on the top. This means you can easily mount it on cold shoe, camera cage, a standard NATO rail to attach your video monitor, microphone, LED light, a wireless receiver viaduct, an articulating MIJIA arm, or any other monitor support ball head. But that's not all. The upgrade lock handle features a pull-out design, allowing for 360-degree adjustment without worrying about the device blocking the locking handle. Plus, the top plate with NATO rail design allows for quick mounting of other devices without the need to remove the previous NATO clamp. Made of anodized aluminum and CNC machining, this NATO clamp is not only lightweight but also incredibly durable. It's the perfect addition to your camera gear for seamless and versatile accessory mounting. So, if you're ready to take your video production to the next level, be sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on the NATO clamp quick release NATO rail clamp. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of wireless earbuds with the MIJIA Xiaomi Wireless Earbuds TWS Bluetooth headset. These earbuds are a game changer when it comes to convenience and performance, and I can't wait to tell you all about them. First off, let's talk about connectivity. The Redmi Bluetooth headset utilizes the most advanced Bluetooth v5.2 technology, ensuring a faster and more stable connection without any signal loss or interruptions to your music. Whether you're on the go or hitting the gym, you can count on a seamless listening experience. But that's not all. These earbuds also come equipped with a built-in microphone, making them perfect for hands-free calls, sports activities, or even just kicking back and enjoying your favorite tunes. The ease of operation and fast connection means you can spend less time fiddling with settings and more time enjoying your music. And speaking of convenience, the fast charging function means you can kiss those low battery woes goodbye. With just about 1 hour to reach a full charge, you can head out the door with the peace of mind that your earbuds will keep up with you every step of the way. Not to mention, the lightweight design and comfortable fit make these earbuds the ideal choice for any activity, from running and cycling to studying and hitting the gym. You'll barely notice they're there, allowing you to stay focused and in the zone. So, if you're ready to take your music and calls to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the MIJIA Xiaomi Wireless Earbuds TWS Bluetooth headset. And the best part? We've got a special link in the description where you can snag a pair for yourself. Trust me, you won't regret it. And as always, if you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to customer service. Your satisfaction is our top priority, and we're always here to help. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to hit that like button if you found this review helpful. Until next time, happy listening. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we have something truly exciting to talk about: the 2022 new Model 12 kW style electric dirt bike electric motorcycle. Now, I know what you might be thinking: why should I consider an electric dirt bike? Well, let me tell you, this isn't your average dirt bike. This is a game changer. With its 12 kW power, this electric motorcycle is not only powerful, but also incredibly eco-friendly. No more worrying about harmful emissions or wasting fuel. Plus, it's a lot quieter than traditional dirt bikes, making it perfect for those early morning rides without disturbing your neighbors. Not only that, but this electric dirt bike is designed with style and comfort in mind. The sleek design and comfortable seating make it a joy to ride, and the electric motor delivers instant power for an exhilarating experience. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, this electric motorcycle is perfect for anyone looking for an exciting adventure. And the best part? When you order now, you'll also get free shipping. That's right, we'll deliver this state-of-the-art electric dirt bike right to your doorstep so you can start your next adventure without any hassle. So, what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to upgrade your riding experience with the 2022 new Model 12 kW style electric dirt bike electric motorcycle. Click the link in the description to order yours today and join the electric revolution. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.